When recovering from an injury or a medical condition, there is no place better to do so than your own home. Here to tell us what Home Rehab Express can do for you or a loved one is Joanne Ellis with Home Rehab Express, and also Dr. Cliff Burmeister with Foot and Ankle Management Group. Good morning to you both. So great to have you back.
Good morning.
Talking about recovery, there's no place better than your own home, which is where Home Rehab Express can help us. Before we jump into our segment here with Dr. Burmeister and focusing on the foot and ankle today, explain to everybody how Home Rehab Express can help.
Sure. Home Rehab Express is a Medicare-certified home health company, which allows us to send nurses and therapists to patients' homes who are unable to make it to the doctor as frequently as their doctor would actually like them to. So for maybe wound care, or in Dr. Burmeister's case, post-surgical care, we are able to provide those services to the patient at home.
And today we're going to focus on some new advancements of the Achilles treatment. So that bump on the back of my heel, I know a lot of people are wondering the same thing. Will it ever go away, Dr. Burmeister?
With conservative treatment, normally it doesn't. And that bump is formed from the Achilles tendon inserting right into that calcaneus. It gets inflamed. A lot of times if they bump their heel or somebody runs into it with a shopping cart,
painful.
You're just going to go through the roof. We always try anti-inflammatories and conservative measures. I always tell people a little felt pad in the heel.
That's a great idea.
A lot of times that will help kind of lift the Achilles and take off some of the strain. But ultimately, the fix is surgical correction.
And when you say surgical correction, what exactly are we looking at?
Well, historically, the Achilles tendon is removed and then it's placed back down with anchors. That requires a long period of immobilization with its casting, and it's really a long recovery period. Now, with Arthrex, we have something called the speed bridge, where it's completely knotless, very small, minimal incision. It uses what we call fiber tape.
I feel like a lot of people were like, oh, there's a better option out there.
There is. I actually brought a little model here. And again, you can see it uses this very small braided fishing line. And again, it actually is a completely knotless system. Again, very quick, very strong, very stable. This hourglass construct really helps me sleep better at night.
And just to kind of explain to everybody, that would be the back of your heel right there.
This is the back of the heel.
Right?
Yes, ma'am. And again, this hourglass configuration with the fiber tape. Very strong, very sturdy. We're very comfortable not casting people, putting them in cam walking, in small boots, and getting them early functional rehab so there's not that prolonged period of immobilization.
Now, we have busy lives these days. We've got grocery running to do. We've got to go to work. What is the downtime like on this?
Again, as soon as the sutures come out, we get people moving it around.
Really?
Physical therapy, aggressive, early range of motion. We really are moving away from the casting and the prolonged periods. And again, with the Arthrex innovations that we have, we're comfortable sending people home and we're not worried about re-ruptures or anything like that.
That's so good to hear. How about pain returning, though? Is that a problem as well?
No. Well, this is normally the ultimate correction. Once we remove that painful insertion, we remove all that bad bone, most of the time, again, no guarantees, but most of the time it never returns. That's the ultimate fix.
Good to hear. That's what we love to hear, especially with the advancements today. If somebody is listening out there, maybe has some ankle pain today, wants to learn more about home recovery, how can people learn more, Dr. Burmeister?
They can go to the Arthrex website. They can also go to our website, footandanklemgmt.com, Foot and Ankle Management Group.
And then I always like to send them to Joanne. Home Rehab Express has a website as well.
Sure. It's homerehabexpress.com, and the patients can ask their doctor to refer them to Home Rehab Express for home health care.
Thank you both so much. We look forward to having you guys back. We'll have more on this segment posted online through our website as well. That's going to be fox4morningblend.com.
No pain, no downtime, and the best part is it's affordable. How Swan Centers can help you feel like $1,000,000 without spending more money than you need to.